some people speak and some people shake the foundations of belief. Ahmed Deedat was among the latter, a man who stood unshaken against some of the world's most well-known evangelists. He had no armies, no wealth, only the strength of knowledge and unwavering faith. He wasn't just a speaker, he was a force of change. In 1918, in a small town in Gujarat, India, a boy was born into modest means. He moved to South Africa as a child. He grew up in poverty. Schooling was brief. Opportunities were scarce. But fate had already laid down his path. At a small furniture shop, he often encountered Christian missionaries. They questioned him, challenged him. One question, in particular, refused to leave his mind. Can you find your prophet Muhammad in the Bible? That moment changed everything. He didn't just look for answers. He devoted himself to uncovering the truth. Without formal training, without guidance, he began a deep study of religious scriptures. Verse by verse, text by text, he memorized, analyzed, and armed himself with knowledge. What started as curiosity became an unstoppable pursuit of truth. And by the 1950s, he wasn't just learning, he was teaching. His words carried weight, his arguments were precise, and his mission had only just begun. His debates weren't just discussions, they were intellectual battles. He didn't just respond to claims, he dismantled them with confidence and undeniable logic. He had a unique style, bold, sharp, and unfiltered. He didn't hesitate. He didn't back down. And that made his message impossible to ignore. He didn't stop at debates. He wrote over 20 books, distributed millions of Qurans for free, and founded the Islamic Propagation Center International, an institution that continues his work to this day. Through his words and efforts, millions found their way to Islam. His impact was not just measured in debates, but in the lives he changed. Then, in 1996, a severe stroke silenced his voice. He could no longer move, no longer debate, but his legacy was far from over. Even in complete paralysis, his presence remained strong. His books, his lectures, his work, they continue to inspire, shaping the minds of people across the globe. Even today, his words resonate, his knowledge spreads, and his mission continues through those who carry his message forward. If you hold the truth, stand firm, speak with courage, because one voice, grounded in knowledge, can challenge the world. If you want to discover more stories of powerful conviction and unwavering faith, subscribe. We bring you the lives that change the world.